Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Let's see today's problem. Find the closest pair from two arrays. Given a two sorted arrays A1, array 1, array 2 of size n and m and a number x. Find the pair whose sum is closest to x and the pair has an element from each array. In the case of multiple closest pairs, return any one of them. In the driver code, absolute difference between the sum of the closest pair and x is printed. So in this question we are given two arrays, array 1 and array 2, and a given integer x. So we need to return a pair uh, which the first element will be from one array 1, and the second element will be from array 2, or vice versa. But the main concept here is the pair contains one element from this array and other element from array 2, and the sum of these two elements should be as close as possible to this x. For example, let's see this problem. In this problem we are given array 1 as this 1457 and array 2 as 10, 20, 30 and 40, and x is 32. So the closest we can get till to x is 1 and 30, 1 from this and 30 from this. So how do we solve this problem? We can use the concept here, that the fact here that two arrays are sorted. So if we have known that a two pointer approach to find the number, which is to find a number in to find a pair whose sum is the given target in a sorted array. So we can use similar concept here is we will be initializing a variable at the starting of this array and the ending of another variable at ending of the second array, and we will sum this array. We will sum these two indexes elements. If the sum is greater, it means we need to decrement this sum. So we will decrement this pointer which will be standing at here, and if the sum is less than the x, then we will increment. If we find the sum is x equals to if the sum equals to x, then we will simply return these two elements. So here's the code. Here we will initialize I to 0 and j to m minus 1, and this is the resultant index from the array 1 and resultant index at array 2. Minimum difference will be initialized to integer max. We will iterate till I is less than n and j is greater than equal to 0, because we will be decrementing j. Difference will be calculated as I minus array 1 plus array 2. And if the difference is less than the current minimum difference, we will update the minimum difference and store index 1 as I and index 2 as j. If the difference is greater, it means that we need to increment the sum. We will increment I plus plus. If the difference is less than 0, it means we need to reduce the sum. We will decrement j. Else if the sum is equal to the difference, if the difference is 0, it means the two element sum, like two element sum is equals to x. So simply return these two pair, and the end we will return array 1 of index 1 and array 2 of index 2. So time complexity will be big O of n. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.